Hello everybody, and this is Ryan from Bakugan Fan 71, and today I'm going to show you another video. And today we're going to see the Windows 6 or 5 essentials for Windows. So this is going to be a great video for you if you want some pretty good software for your Windows machine. Okay. It's from, and if you're wondering where it comes from, it's from Windows and their programs. And Microsoft made a thing called Windows Live Essentials that are pretty good programs to use if you want to have some good programs. And okay, now let me start today. But first, you gotta download it. It isn't built into your computer. So, but one of these programs are going to be from a privileged version of Windows called Windows Mail, Live Mail, and it's better than the other kind of mail, but it's pretty nice. So, if you have a Windows 7 machine, probably have it maybe installed, but let me show you how to get it. There's two ways. Now you gotta look for getting started. Now click on it, and this window will pop up, and will say go online to get Windows Live Essentials. And there's another way if you don't want to do this. If you want, just type in Windows Live Essentials in the search, and see this thing here? That's the link to it. Now click on it, and if you're hearing dogs barking, that's just my neighbor's dogs I don't like. Okay, now the page loads where we download it. There's two downloads of the version. There's a stable version that isn't in testing, and there's another version that is in testing that if you want to go try out and see if it's better than the first one, you try out, see what's the sneak peek of the next new one. So now this is the stable version, and it comes with Fogarty, Mail, Movie Maker, Messenger, Writer, Family Safety, Toolbar. And the beta version comes with an extra program in here, and sealed. And with Windows Live Essentials is Windows Live something for all the programs like Windows Live Writer, Windows Live Mail, Windows Live Movie Maker, Windows Live Photo Gallery, Windows Live Messenger. And get the beta version, Windows Live something beta. So now let's just go. But there's one thing. If you have an XP computer, it may not work for the beta version, but if you have XP computer, but if you can use a stable version, it may work. But if you want to try out the beta version of the Essentials on the XP machine, I would like it, and just leave a comment below and see if it works, if you would like to do it. But we're going to download the beta version of this, and that's the testing. I really like it. It's so awesome. I use these programs a lot, especially Windows Live Messenger beta. It's pretty good chatting. I like chatting with all my friends. Now let's see how long it is. 4 minutes so far. What? My internet. Oh, never mind. And it comes with extra program called Scan that lets you scan with 25 gigabytes of online storage on Windows on the live.com, and this is where it's coming from. It's pretty nice. And to download it, just select your language. Mine is English, so download it, and set up and make sure you get all the programs. Make sure you get Windows Bulgari, Windows Mail, Movie Maker, Messenger, Writer, and Scan, and Messenger Communicator. And there's going to be 2 options that customize or recommended. I would choose recommended. That's what I did. So once you have been done, now let me show you the essentials, how it works. I made a folder with all of them. Now first we're going to start off with Windows Live Mail. It's pretty good mail. And there was an update today that changed up. It's Windows Live Mail 2011 newest version. So pretty nice. Now you get this kind of nice look. And with these Windows Live Essentials, you must have a Live ID. And wondering what that is? It's just an ID, special one. And you got to it's like a Hotmail account, and I have a login. That's my IMM picture. Max's Helix Dragonoid, pretty nice. And this is what the mail program looks like. Pretty nice. Comes with a calendar built in, and it's in sync. I think the calendar is going online with my Windows Hotmail account. And there's contacts. I bet they work with online. And works with Messenger. So that's one of my friends on there. So okay, shows your junk mail, all sorts of stuff. Works pretty nice. So that's pretty much Windows Live Mail Beta Mail. Now let's look at Messenger. I have that in my dock. I mean my super bar, aka taskbar, super, and it looks like this when it washes. It looks so cool. And let's go take a look at signing me in, but I don't want it to. It looks like, you know, I think I gotta click on my name and I gotta sign out from here. Now my mouse is flashing somehow. Oh great, I'm using too much RAM. Okay, gotta close my programs. And it looks like this from it's pretty nice. This should be okay. And there's options for here. I don't want to go through them, but it's pretty nice how it signs you in. And if you want to chat to someone, just click their name. You have on the friends, and this is what the conversation window looks like. Being fast. I don't want to make a part 2, so pretty nice. Now let's go to Windows Movie Maker, and that's just making movies. I don't use this to do my movie making. I use Camtasia Studio, and I'm using Camtasia Recorder to record this, and you can do very nice stuff with this. You have to have a live ID for all special stuff, and they added some features from a long time, from some new stuff. Snapshots. Now let's see what this new button does. Oh, it's just importing pictures. Now let me just get a random piece of video in here. Okay, video, and you don't have to click right here to put in video. You can drag it. See? Now you can upload it to SkyDrive. And wondering what SkyDrive is just 25 gigabytes of storage that Microsoft offers you. You can upload it to YouTube. You can share it with Facebook, Windows Live Groups, Flickr. Yep, I know. And you can add plugins that even more stuff. And you can do so much stuff. Okay, pretty nice. So I'm not going into all the features, but it's pretty nice. And you can save the project, aka what you work on. Now, let me go to Photo Gallery. It's just a program that lets you organize your pictures and all sorts of stuff. And this is a picture of me last year. It's a picture of my cousin Brianna. So it's loading. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. And you can edit these pictures and edit pictures and all of these sorts of stuff. It's a good picture program. I'm trying to beat the limit. Okay, I'm good at time. Now let's do Windows Live Scan. And next is Windows Live Writer that lets you do blogs. And now let's just go to Windows Live Scan. All it does is just lets you scan stuff to your SkyDrive. It's pretty new, pretty nice. The reason why it's in the beta is being worked on. It has some problems. It takes a long time to get files to SkyDrive, and it uses your computer name and all sorts of stuff. My mouse is going crazy. You can sync a folder and sorry, and it's just scanning stuff. I'm not going into it. Just oops. And if you're wondering what this shortcut is, that's a shortcut that lets you. It's from Vista, and you press the start button and tab at the same time. It's pretty cool. Okay. Now Windows Live Writer. I used this today and it's awesome. It works with your blog, and wondering what a blog is what you blog stuff on. You can blog from from WordPress blogs and Blogger. And if you use your own domain for a blog, like I have, and if you have a WordPress blog from WordPress.com, that means it's easier to get on. And you can have a Windows Live blog and a Blogger blog. Now let me show you how to add an account. First, if you already have an account on here, it's going to be different. But I'm going to show you how it works to add one. Click Add, and Windows Live Spaces, and that's Windows blog. I have one, and if you already have one, it makes one, or other blog services. And enter your blog's URL, and I have a sample one for you, and it's from Blogger.com. It's and you gotta copy the URL of your blog, paste it in,